Megan Cook, your North American Rolex scholar. Bling! Checking in with you this week from Narragansett, Rhode Island and the Inner Space Center. Do you know 95% of the ocean is still unexplored? The staff and team here use ROV technology and amazing boats to bring people along for the adventure of exploring the rest of what's under the surface. So come along with me. Let's go! Breaking news from the middle of the ocean. This is the spot where they film Nautilus Live, a daily update about the best highlights and coolest things they found in the ocean that day. Move over, Walter Cronkite. I'm here to bring you your ocean news. So this is Mission Control. What Houston is for NASA, this room is for the Inner Space Center. This huge screen on the wall shows live feed coming in from the ship, no matter where it is in the world. And this is a space where collaborators come in and be part of the exploration in real time. Essentially, they're eliminating the need to take everyone who knows anything about the subject onto the boat to float around the world with you. Science, science, science. This is the hub. All these flashing lights and machines are what accept the feed from space beaming down from the ship to convert the feed and send it out to Mission Control or to any of the websites which connect to this information. This technology is what Dr. Bob Ballard has pioneered and termed telepresence. It means you can be sitting in your home office connected to this web feed and be working in real time with someone deep beneath the ocean. This interconnectivity of technology is what is so special about this facility here in Rhode Island and so amazing about what they've created here. I better not. The ROVs on Nautilus can go as deep as 4,000 meters. Craziness. And they're equipped for whatever the mission calls for. That could be cameras to record video, it could be temperature sensors, it could even be grabby arms, where you could collect samples from the deep sea. Argus is tethered to the ship, and Hercules is tethered to Argus. That way, when the ship is bouncing around in the ocean, Argus as a sled takes that like a shock absorber and eliminates that bounce and that feedback, which allows Hercules on its tether to operate totally independently. Pilots drive it from the ship and it can move in 8 directions with thrusters. Pretty neat. Here we go, guys. I got to see this telepresence technology for myself. I was transported to the Knidos region off Turkey in the Aegean Sea where they're looking for shipwrecks actively right now. How it works is they send a side scan sonar out, mowing the lawn back and forth until they get blips, and they call those targets. When they identify these targets, they investigate them further using ROVs. The feed I was watching, they identified 3 different shipwrecks by the presence of amphora, which are large clay jars, or remnants of them left on the seafloor. Features on these amphora could be the type of handle, the size, the shape. Those give clues to archaeologists about what the ship might have been carrying, the age, even what could have been inside those jars when a ship wrecked. The oldest shipwreck identified yesterday came from the 4th century BC, which means the light from the ROV was the first time someone's looked at it in over 2,000 years. The Inner Space Center is on the cutting edge of ocean exploration and technology. And what's so exciting is they're using this new data and information to bring new people into ocean sciences by sharing their discoveries on personal computers and in classrooms all across the planet. This kind of media, outreach, education, communication work is definitely something I could see myself doing in the future. I'm so thankful to the University of Rhode Island Graduate School of Oceanography, the Inner Space Center, and Dr. Bob Ballard for having me here on this visit. I'll look forward to seeing you guys on my next Scholar Update. Remember to check out Megan Cook, Ocean Ambassador on Facebook, or the blog OW-USS NorthAmerica.org. See you guys on the next adventure.